All right, so here's where I think the leak is. So you have two sections of the V clamp meeting together. Both are connected via the band clamp behind here. But see here, it looks as if the V clamp is rolling back on both sides and not even touching, not even contacting the top lip to compress the gasket. See, so you can kind of roll over this way. See, and see how it actually looks when it's compressed here, right? And then, but when it comes back over here, big gaps, right? So it can come around this way. So it's sort of tight, sort of tight, sort of tight, sort of tight. And back over here again, we have the same problem. The V-clamp meets the lip, it rolls backwards, doesn't contact the top of the lid to compress the gasket. So this happens at every point where there's a gap in here. So it even happens back here as well. So here we are again, a section here rolling back, not contacting, not compressing the lid and the gasket underneath. Therefore, I think this is it's either a defective design or just a badly manufactured clamp. It's one of the two. It's not me. I guarantee that. I used to design these things years ago, and I know how they work. And you can clamp this thing down very easily, turn this knob all the way down to its clasp position. It's actually in contact with itself, and this is just, I mean, this is not even like starting to get snug at all. This almost spins freely. See, so it's, something's not right with this clamp. I'm applying pressure, been for several minutes. There's no increase in the gas, no pressure here at all. It's still hissing in there, and I got this clamp tightened all the way down to even to the end even, all the way down, and it's still plenty of travel in here. I mean, look at this. I can actually turn the clamp in its fully tightened position. It's not really gripping the lid. It's not compressing the gasket. I mean, all the stuff's leaking out around the edges, I assume, from under the gasket. There's no more adjustment that could be made. I mean, this is real loose here. I mean, I can actually pull the clamp away from the lid. I mean, I don't really know what this V clamp is supposed to do for me here. All right, this is Friday, March 24th after 5 p.m. at 5 psi. The third clamp. The third clamp. All right, the following morning, probably about less than 12 hours later, it's already down to 0. So there's that. This is clamp number 3, showing the gap or lack thereof. See, there's still plenty of travel in here that could be tightened if the gap would have allowed it, but it doesn't. So it doesn't let you do anymore. It's not completely tightened down. So I got to take off a piece, maybe a little segment here, so we can maybe tighten it down more. And this is just a couple hours later. So obviously not holding pressure very well either.